Meet the 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo, your smart cleaning partner for hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. Control it with your phone, Wi-Fi, or even your voice. It's that easy. With self-charging and smart scheduling, cleaning just got effortless. Powerful, slim, smart. Let it clean so you don't have to. Tired of dirty windows and hard-to-reach spots? Dual ultrasonic spray nozzles and 9-stage safety for spotless shine and peace of mind. With intelligent path planning and 3 cleaning modes, it does the work. So you don't have to. Smarter windows start with WINBOT Mini. Meet the FMART T9 Pro. With ultrasonic atomization and smart water spray, it cleans like a pro. 3,800 PA suction, AI path planning, and edge detection for spotless results. Control with ease and let your windows shine. Hands-free, FMART T9 Pro, smart, safe, sparkling.